Ow. Alright everyone, another Cruze video for today. Quick, fast, and easy one here. Easy, we shall see. Cam Position Sensor Actuator seals. So if you find yourself having a leak under here, it's getting all over the place. I got to zoom in, I don't know how much you can see it because I got you on the mount, but there's like oil all over the mount bracket and everything, all down the back side of the block. I think it was coming from here. It's not coming from the valve cover gasket because we already changed that out once. But we're gonna switch these out really quick. So first things first, take a screwdriver, push on this white little tab here, pop that out of the way, squeeze the tab that you popped out. The sensor connector comes out, very oily. Do it on the other one, and right off. You can take out the air box if you want to, give you a little more room. I don't think you need to. E10 bolts. Just like everything else in this engine bay, E10 bolt, pretty much. Twist these out, try not to drop them. Seemingly spin forever. All right, there we go. This one. Go. Kind of twist it a little bit. Rock it out. There you go. There it is. There's the seal. Can we see? Oh, there we go. There's the seal there, old one. Now you're going to pull this one off and replace it with the new seal. Just try not to damage your actuator. So you may want to use a little pick or screwdriver to kind of pop it off. You can see how oily it is around here, so it's definitely leaking. So just pry it up. All right. Old one off. Set that over here. Wipe this down. These things were leaking a lot for a while, I guess. Here is your part number. They come in a package of one, so you're going to need to get two of them. Got these from the dealer when I was there getting that oil cooler hose. Okay, on here, get nice and close, you'll see right here there's like the injection molding line right on this side. I just took this one off and this was facing into the engine, so we're going to put it back on the same way. That's on there, slides right on. Make sure that here's out there. Take a little bit of oil up the seal just like you do on a oil filter. Make sure it doesn't get pinched. I'm going to give this a wipe since that's where it's leaking from. It doesn't need to be on that face there, it just needs a seal behind it. Take it, pop it back in. Back in there. Just thread it in. Just getting it finger tight for right now. All right, let's do the other one. I would have done this the other day when I was doing all the stuff on the drain the coolant and stuff. I just ran out of time. But as you can see, you don't need a lot of time to do this job. Pull out. Pull out. Rock. Actuator out. That side also leaking. Sizable amount. It's out. Let's pry this old one off. That one just popped right off on its own. Just wiping this down. New gasket. Remember, injection molding line to the engine. Slide the new one back on there. Make sure it's all the way down, seated. Take a little bit of oil out of here. Pop it on seal. So if you find yourselves having a oil leak that's coming from up high and is not coming from under the valve cover gasket, the next closest thing, well, the next highest up thing I would say, will be these actuator seals here. There's that. Take it, pop it back in, line up. Thread those in there. Now you'll need to do it the way you're supposed to do it, at least, is you'll need your inch-pound torque wrench. Inch-pound, not foot-pound. I get this thing out of the damn case. Okay. This is a quarter dry, so I had to get an attachment to go from quarter to 3/8. And this goes up to 71 inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. Okay? It's going into an aluminum head, 71 inch-pounds. Check them. All right, tighten up. Connector back in, white pin back in. Connector back in, white pin, locked in. That's it. That's all it takes. I don't know how long that was at one time myself, maybe 5 minutes or so. And that's it. That's all you have to do to replace out these seals here, which tend to happen to leak a lot. Now, if you don't have any E10 bits, I will say this. Just go to Lowe's and they have this whole cobalt kit of E10s, your hex head sockets, a couple of different screwdriver attachments, and Torx and Allen wrenches as well, all in this one little kit here. And it's cobalt, so one thing breaks, it gets replaced for free, lifetime warranty. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. See you guys next time.